Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up and I look so greasy at the moment, so please excuse that. Today I'm going to start my day by eating breakfast, and then after a few hours I will just go ahead and do my cardio dance workout. So I'm gonna wear my workout clothes now, and I would like to show you my cupboard. This is my cupboard and I have a TV on the top. We don't use this TV, but yeah, this is the cupboard. I keep all my scarves over here. I organized everything after I came back from Nepal, guys. My cupboard was overflowing. I couldn't fit a panty on top of my cupboard because it was that full. I chose whichever fits me and then gave away all which are too small or too big, you know. I donated them to cancer department. They always sent me bags for donation, so that's what I did rather than throwing. So yeah guys, I keep my scarves right over here and my undergarments over here, which I don't want to show you that. Here is my tops. These are all my tops, as you guys can see, and these are my like top but dress kind of top, like dresses. So these are my dresses. That's it. And over here I keep all my leggings and pants, trousers, like t-shirts, and over here I keep all my maxis. You guys know that how much I love my maxis, so these are all my maxis. I have blue one, red one, green one, you name it. I have every color, guys. So that's my maxi, and now I'm gonna look for my workout clothing. So I have these quarter pants. It's kind of like a tight legging, which is quarter. It's really cute. I got this one from Primark. I'm gonna wear that, and I need to pick up a t-shirt. I also keep some of my t-shirt right over here. I don't know, I want this one. So I'm gonna wear a black top and this blue leggings. So yeah, I'm gonna start my day with breakfast and then work out. So time to eat some brekkie. So this is my breakfast, guys. Looks really delicious. I also added some butter in my sweet corn, and I've got some egg and some grilled tomatoes. Delicious. That's my breakfast, guys. You can't see the omelette, but it's there, I promise. I just finished eating my breakfast. Before doing anything, I'm just watching a movie. I just want to give myself a rest before doing this cardio workout. I just don't want to start my workout straight away. So right now I'm watching another movie. The actress is Dia Mirza and Imran Hashmi, and I watched a little bit of this movie and it looks very promising. It's called Tumsa Nahi Dekha. I love Dia Mirza after watching yesterday's movie. movie, Rehna Hai Tere Dil Pe. I'm gonna watch the movie and wait for a while, and after a few minutes, like 40 minutes, 50 minutes, I will start my dance workout. So right now I have applied some baby oil in my hair, ani ma mero kan pani kottaउँदैछु. Yes guys, I just love kan kottaing. I don't know the word. I'm gonna finish this and then start my workout. Ew, it's nasty. I'm doing this workout, guys. Bakare 2 minutes boyo, and it looks fun. I'm gonna enjoy this, guys.
Forward. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, guys, I just finished the workout and it was so much fun. I just loved it. It was hip-hop cardio workout with Top Sugar Fitness, and seriously guys, it was blasting fun. I uploaded my vlog very early today cause my broadband is working like crazy, guys. It's so super fast. I just love it. Yesterday after chatting with that lady, my broadband got activated. I think it's their fault because the moment I chat with them and I waited for 2 hours, I believe, and then my internet was faster fiber, and the vlog which I was uploading yesterday, it got uploaded in like 30 minutes, guys. Can you believe it? I'm so pleased with my broadband service right now, and my vlogs are going to be so much better and I can upload it so much faster. So thumbs up, guys. Okay guys, I would like to tell you one thing which really annoys me like crazy. You know what, I got a duvet cover set from Hong Kong and I live in the UK, right? So I got a double size duvet cover and then I bring it over here and try to put it in, and look at this, guys. It doesn't even fit, right? And it really annoys me because I want to keep my bedding nice and clean. When people come over my house, they can see it's a nice bedding. You know, it just makes me unmotivated. Is that a word? Yeah, it makes me unmotivated to make my bed pretty, because look at the duvet. You can't do much with this because this is kind of small for my double duvet and it's from Hong Kong. So whoever is planning to get a duvet from Hong Kong, don't get it. It won't fit your duvet in the UK. But seriously guys, the duvets from Hong Kong, they are so cute. I just love them. When I used to live in Hong Kong, we used to have pretty duvets all the time, so I used to miss that. That's why I got this one, and look at this, guys. Ooh, I can't handle it, but it is what it is, guys. That's what I have got right now. I have my Hello Kitty over there, just chilling. I just love this Hello Kitty pillow. I actually use that pillow. It's not just for show off. I actually use that on top of my pillow. It's so comfy with the Hello Kitty pillow. So that's my bedding, guys. Okay guys, look at this. Food. My favorite. By the way, I placed everything in the floor because the delivery guy, he bought all the stuffs in a basket and I had to return the baskets. I couldn't decide where to put it because I have stuffs in my table. It's winter time, you guys know that. That's why I'm drying my clothes in the dining table and all my food is in the floor. That's totally opposite. I'm gonna give you a quick haul. I got some chicken wings and some beer for my husband and some edamame soya bean. I also got some frozen beans and some pork belly. Look at that. I also got some tomatoes and some baked beans. I also got some lemon juice, kitchen towel, Fanta, tissue paper, you name it, guys. Bread, eggs, grapes, broccoli, and some toilet paper, some potatoes. So it's a very big haul, but I'm really excited because I have nothing in my fridge. You guys know that. Tonight I'm gonna make some edamame soya beans and it's gonna taste delicious, guys. I just love food. That's everything. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs and I love you all. Bye.